Hi everyone, I'm Alessandro and welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can create a custom deck box for your favorite card game with our new project, the Deckbox generator. That is an add-on for Blender. And you can create your next deck box in just minutes, so you can design, customize, and export it for 3D printing. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I will create a simple deck box for a commander, Magic the Gathering commander. So first thing to do is to delete all the elements right here. So press A and X. Delete, yes. This is the only important things to do. Now, as you can see here, the panel, if the panel doesn't show up, you need to press N, okay, and Deckbox. So there is a big button here, so generate default Deckbox. Let's wait. We need some seconds to load up. Okay, as you can see, it is very big. So first things to do is go to Utilities, set unit scale to this one, and zoom out. Zoom out with the mouse wheel, of course. To rotate the view, you need to press the mouse wheel, okay, like this. So this is a standard deck box for commander. As you can see, there is the space window for the commander card, and as you can see here, we have some presets. So commander, Yu-Gi-Oh, Tarot. Let's try Yu-Gi-Oh just for a second. As you can see, the dimensions changed, also Tarot size, but let's keep commander deck. Okay, so next step is to, if you want to see more clearly, let's say if you don't like the gray render thing, we can first of all add studio scene here, click on this button up here, this will enable the render pass, and deck material here. As you can see, the color changed. Of course, you can change the color whatever you want. Let's put it red to be more visible. Okay, let's try to configure a little bit this deck box. As you can see, this is a rounded edges that you can, of course, reduce if you don't want so sharp. Let's place like this. Of course, there is the add display card slot, that is the commander window or whatever card you want to place in front. And let's move to the very fun part. So side panels. First of all, you need to activate which panel you want to have, let's say the logos or the frames. I want to have right, left, and also the cover. That's enough, okay? Then we can activate the frame. Frame is a simple image here. You can choose from a preset. Let's take this one. You don't see nothing, but in a moment everything will be updated. And a logo. Let's play the fire one. Okay. And then finally we can press down here, generate update panels. Okay, as you can see, white panels has been generated, but we can click again the deck material, so everything is red. Amazing. Now, as you can see, it's very blurry and triangulated mesh, but this is not a problem because we can go here, resolution, we can increase this. Of course, if you increase the resolution, your computer will be slower, of course. We can add also a smooth one. One is enough, maybe two. Yes, exactly. And of course, we can resize the logo size. Also, we can increase the strength of the lens. So let's place one here. As you can see, the logo pop up. That I will change the frame if we don't like it. This, and a very important thing, the panels can be exported or separate. So you have separate panels from the deck box, or fused with body, so will be exported only two pieces, the box and the top cover. Okay, so let's do separate inserts for now. Okay, and very important thing, export. We can give a name, test Deckbox. Export all. Of course, you can export single parts if you want, but let's do export all. You need to do. You need to check a folder that you want. Let's do create a new folder, tutorial, and export. Okay. If we like, we can color. We can multicolor this. For example, like this. Okay, too much. Like this, and so on. So you can create deck boxes, but also boxes for other things, not necessarily cards. And you can use boxes for dice, small tokens, and so on, so on. I really hope that this video was helpful. I really hope you will enjoy this Deckbox generator. Of course, this is a software, so probably, hopefully not, there will be some little bugs to be fixed. Just let us know, send us an email or whatever, and we were very happy and excited to see what you can create with this Deckbox generator. I will see you next time. Bye.